No, I was present last week.
You was alone. I completed 2 chapters.
Last week.
You were alone, no? Last week.
Yes.
Last week. Absolutely.
Both
are something like that.
Agriculture 3rd and 4th. We completed.
I don't have any geography book. I forgot to bring to them.
Why? Then what I will take? According to your syllabus, which one is written? Agro-based industries, no? But I am going to take that transport. Yeah. Transport lesson.
Advertisement.
Ma'am, they have extra volume.
I don't think so.
They have.
Should I have?
No?
Yes. कुछ पहले कुछ दो थे क्या
माफ करो, ये ले लिया।
तो होर्डिंग में देना सर तेरे परिवार को दे सकते हो My dream company is IT. IT is active your company. That's the dream.
What is this? Okay. Okay. What is transport?
Going from one place to another place.
Hmm.
Movement of people from one place.
Yes. So going from one place to place, but when we are trying to define it, not to mark or write anything.
So AP
नहीं, देखिए,
Okay.
तुम लोग उड़ना चाहते हो? क्या? उड़ना चाहते हो? हाँ, उड़ना चाहते हैं। उड़ाओ। Ma'am, she's a new coordinator.
No, she's some senior post. Which one? That Meena madam.
Yes.
She was here, and now she is she is promoted to another position. She came to help.
why did Nancy
Personally.
yours?
So, what is transport? Movement of people, then goods and services. See, this movement will not take place automatically. Will it take? See, you have after class you want to go to home. You are just sitting here and thinking. We are not the gym. Aladdin का वो जो नहीं है. So what we have to move from one place to other. So earlier times people move from one place to another by foot. But nowadays, the developments or that activities are taking place faster. So we have to move also faster. So for that purpose, there are certain means to transport us from one place to another. How did you come today? By auto. So the road was the means which take him to here. And what means you have come? Scooty. You have auto. So scooty also require a road. Understood? So whatever way we move from one place to another, that is what the movement of people, goods and services from one place to another is called transport. The goods also, see sometimes you need some things, it is not available in the locality, especially we people who are living in cities and all. We have to get it from the places where it is produced. So it is moving from that place to cities. So movement of goods, services as well as the people. That is called a transport. Is it clear? Now, another thing is that it is working like arteries and veins of human body. So how it works? Like arteries and veins of see, just like that it will not go. I have told the roads are required. And on roads, different types of vehicles are required. So, in a human body, how arteries and veins are working, pumping that blood and that is making that oxygen to move from one place to another, water to move from one place to another. The same way, this transport also work like arteries and veins. Okay, just note down if you are not able to underline or like that what is transport and how it is. Okay. Now, what are the importance of transport? Yeah.
Actually, my mom is out of town, so I need to call my phone is totally disconnected.
No. That way also the absolutely standard scope. What is happening? Everything is getting. Okay, importance of transport. First, it helps in connecting one part of the country to another. So, what is the first? Help to connect. You are underlining or that is marking. That points. Afterwards, I will take the test after completing because we are having 3 hours, not small lesson. After completing, test will be. So, jot down the points. Which book it is? So, back page you write. Okay. So why it is useful? It helps in connecting one part of the country to another. Second, it helps in utilization of the resources of the backward areas in a better way.
We will not take agro-based that chapter.
Agro-based next week I will take because I am getting only in this month. So whatever is allotted according to that is also allotted. Agro-based and transport. I am not your main teacher. Huh? Please. This addition time, some portions are distributed over the YouTube. Helps in, what is the second point? You just one.
It helps in the utilization of the resources of the backward areas in a better way.
Okay. Utilization. See, I'll tell you. Utilization. Resources. See, for example, in the backward areas, certain resources are there. But if it is remained in the backward area, it cannot be utilized in a better way. Means it has to be converted into finished product, and it has to be brought to the urban areas or industrial areas and all, so that a better utilization of that resources can be used. Did you get it? In the villages, in the rural areas, many products are there, agricultural products or many products are there. So it is not utilized in a proper way if that region is a backward region. So if transport is there, that goods can be brought to the industrial areas or the towns and all, and it can be utilized. Got it? Next point.
It creates the process of industrialization and urbanization.
Just imagine if there is no transport system, that products in the rural areas will not get converted into finished products. What is a finished product? Cloth. Okay. So the clothes are made from cotton. Cotton is produced in the rural area. So this cotton have to come to the towns through roads. Now many such products from the rural areas are coming to that urban areas where industries are set. So it help in the industrialization. Just take the example of Mumbai. How this Mumbai developed? Mumbai developed because of the industries. That towns, cities, and all are that now packed. So this transportation facility help in the development of industrialization and urbanization. Okay. Next point.
It facilitates the movement of raw material, fuel, machinery, etc. to the places of production.
PDN stands for production.
Yes.
So, what is that? A movement of raw materials. Again, the raw material is cotton. The raw material is sugarcane. So, the raw material is jute. Whatever such raw materials are brought to the places of production. So, with the help of these arteries, with the help of these roads, with the help of these railways, with the help of other means of transport, these raw materials are reaching to the production centers. Okay, next.
Also facilitates the movement of finished goods from production sites to the market and consumption places.
Facilitates the movement of see, one area raw material is reaching to the industries. Because of that industrialization and urbanization take place, then these raw materials are reaching and converting it into finished goods. These finished goods are reaching to markets. Understood? Next, our
Sorry, ma'am, yes.
hmm?
Yes,
Over. So, what are the importance of this transport?
Transporting connecting from one country to another, then utilization.
Hmm.
And also
urbanization, movement of
Raw materials and then movement of finished goods. So this way transport is very important in the modern world. You just think about if transport was not there or is not there, what would be the condition of the country? Walk everywhere.
bullock carts.
Bullock cart also it is having a path. And how many people can use that bullock cart? Huh? Can you climb on that bullock cart? Have you ever imagined? So the faster growth have taken place as a result of the development of transport. Another thing is that it helps in the modernization. Our lifestyle changes. See, when we are thinking about the earlier people, those people also lived. When it comes to our time, we never want to walk. We never want to this thing sweat it out. Those people, they worked hard, they worked, they did all the work by their own that muscle power.
yes.
So because of that, they were energetic and active. But in the modern day, ah, children like you are so tired after doing something, after writing. That is, if I am compelling you to write, मैडम 3 घंटे तो लिख रहे थे अभी भी आप लिखने को बोल रहे थक गया isn't it? I told him to write, no? So he's not writing. So that is just say us. So what I was telling that earlier times people worked hard and their energy and stamina they get from their work. Their food also like that, natural. And nowadays, modern times, what we are depending upon, but what
Very healthy.
very healthy, but
Homemade burger.
okay. Whatever is there. So when we are doing changing our lifestyle, it have impact on our growth, our resistance power, etc. You might have seen children that is very small kids are also. It is on the work side of the road or like that. Parents who are working, they bring them. They are playing in the hot sun, rain, whatever conditions. Rarely they fall sick.
because they are adapted to that climate. No?
They are adapted. But the children, you are living in the flats and all. One small drop of rain, next to sneezing, coughing, fever. Not getting. Many are getting. I don't know.
Rarely in monsoons I get like 1 or 2 times. If I continuously get wet in the week or sometimes that time I got. Otherwise no.
Mostly, I am not telling about only you. I find that is next day the children remain absent in the class, telling that fever. Eh? Last week, these people also escaped among the class, telling that not well.
I didn't
You were not
Informed.
there.
I was not there, but I didn't told I was not well.
Yes.
I didn't told that I was not well.
But a message came like that you were not well. Okay. So what I wanted to tell is that modern day our lifestyles are just sedentary lifestyles. Our food habits are like that. So earlier time, the people used to walk, people used to do that work. So it helped in the modernization. Transport helped in the modernization. When I
No,
think,
someone was there. Our uncle was there. Somebody.
so that it helped in the modernization. Let us see.
Equate.
Uh, Now let us move to the next part, which are the modes of transport. Which are the modes of transport? See, we find so many ways that people used to move from one place to another, one state to another state, one country to another state, like that. So depends upon which means they are using, it is classified. So we know that when we think about the size of India, 3.28 million square kilometer. This much a distant India, how people will move from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari? Whatever, that is, they have to use one or other means. The length and breadth of the country they have to travel, so they use different means. There are routes like that in land. There is another route called, yes, water. And then third means is air. On land, if you are seeing, it is again divided into roadways, uh, and pipelines. So on land, we are having these three means: roadways, railways, and pipelines. So railway is also laid on the land. Pipeline is also laid on the land. Pipelines can be used for transporting water. It is used for transporting gas. It is also used to transport the crude oil. Okay, so anyhow, it is a means of transporting or transportation. So which are the means on land? roadways, railways, and pipelines. Now, water. When we take water, we have two types of waterways.
Inland and
Oceanic and inland waterways. Okay, inland means the rivers, canals, or whatever it is within the country. Oceanic route is that in seas and oceans. So these two are the waterways. Now, third, airways. Domestic means if you want to go from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, if you are taking airways, so then that is the domestic. Or if you want to go from Mumbai to Chennai, there is domestic. National and international, there are between the countries. So which are owned by that government, the national airways. That is, you have heard about the Indian Airlines, Air India, like that. So, Indigo is private jet. Huh? Okay. So, this is what a national and international. Is it clear? Which are the different means of transport? Land, water, and air. On land, which are the means? Roadways, railways, and pipelines. And water,
waterways, oceanic and
inland and oceanic. Okay. Then third one, airways. Domestic is the domestic within the country, between the states and all, and national and international. So now one by one, we are going to learn it in detail. This one is clear now. So roadways first. Wait. Let me write. Yes.
roadways importance. Roads are important as they are necessary in the transportation of people and goods over short and medium distances. One such road was constructed by Sher Shah, which connected Amritsar to Delhi, is called Sher Shah Suri Marg now.
Say short and long distance movement of people and goods, roadways are useful and its importance. See, earlier time, during the times of kings, they also constructed certain roads which are between two places or like that. And the first long distance roadway was constructed under Sher Shah Suri. It is known as Grand Trunk Road. Understood? Still, it is in use or it is important in the road map of India. Grand Trunk Road, which was constructed by Sher Shah. Okay.
Types of roads. National highways, which connect the state capitals, big cities, and important roads, and are constructed and maintained by the Central Public Works Department. State highways.
Wait. National highways. See, national highways are the roads which connect between different state capitals. It is called by different numbers. National Highway 144, like that. Just different numbers it is.
NH for the longest.
So I have written 144. Just I wrote one number. Okay. National highways are that highways which connect different headquarters of the states. See, for example, the road.
Like there will be that Mumbai to Bangalore national highway.
So Mumbai to Bangalore means it is connecting Karnataka and Maharashtra, or the state headquarters of Mumbai with the state headquarters of Karnataka. That means Bangalore. So that way, when it is connected between different state headquarters, it is known as national highways. It is constructed and maintained by NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. So, who construct and maintain that roads? National Highway Authority of India. Got it clear? Now, second.
State highways.
Ah.
This road link the state capitals with district headquarters and other important towns.
So it connect within the state. Okay, connect districts. See, what is the peculiarity? Mumbai Pune Highway. What is that type of road? State highway. It connect district headquarters or between different towns. Or Pune Agra Road. What is that?
State.
No, Agra is in Delhi, near
National
Delhi. This national highway. Got it? So within the state, between different district headquarters or different towns, it is called the state highways. That is, it is constructed by state public work department, no?
No.
Huh? PWD.
Central Public Work Department.
State.
State is
State public works. They construct and maintain that roads. Got it? Now, third road. What is that road?
district roads.
Ah,
This connect the district headquarters with other towns in the district. They are rented by the Zilla Collection.
we just see that ST buses, have you heard about?
BST.
BST, BEST or ST buses. ST buses is coming under this one. Okay. District roads. District roads within that. You just have you heard about the NMMT?
Yes.
So NMMT connect that that buses within that Navi Mumbai. So it is maintained by that authority, Zilla Parishad or the authority. That is NMMT is that municipal corporation.
Yes.
They are making. Got it? Now what is the fourth road?
Village or rural roads. These are generally unregulated like dusting and connect the village with towns and cities.
See, this roads are sometimes known as kacha roads, unmetalled roads. It connects the different villages, and village authorities are having control over such roads. Mostly, it is useless during the rainy season, so it is also called as seasonal roads. Some seasons it can be used. Dusted, unmetalled roads. Okay. Now,
Border roads. The border roads organization was established in 1960. Developed the roads in the northern and northeast border area. These roads have
then
in the economic development of those areas which were difficult to
see in 1960, Border Road Organization organization was set up, and they maintained or constructed such roads. You just BOAR is the
We are
no BRO no BOR.
we are border road organization. Border road organization.
No, that board means BO.
Spelling is BRO. मेरे मुख में वही
Border Road Organization. Spelling that is border. This is here. BOA is there or BOR. Understood? See, this is very important. In the point of that the defense of the country, India is having border with many countries. In the west, we are having border with Pakistan, then Afghanistan, China, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, then Bangladesh, and northeast that Myanmar. So many countries India is having border with. So this road is very important in the point of the safety and security of the country. That is one. Second, in times of calamities and other times, these border roads are very useful in providing supplies to the people. One is India is having border with many countries. Secondly, in order to supply materials or requirements to the people in times of calamities. Thirdly, these roads are very essential in order to supply ammunition and other requirements for the soldiers. Understood? So, this supplies through which route it will be provided. So, that is why these border roads are very important. And it is constructed and maintained by Border Road Organization. Clear what is the importance of border roads? Okay. Now, next.
in village. They have written MPGS.
The Pradhan Mantri, that road Sadak Yojana.
Do we have to remember that?
Not so important. Understood? Next road, tell.
Super highways. A highway designed for traffic at high speeds, having more than one lane for each direction of traffic.
See, here we have learned about the state highways, national highways, and all. Super highways are meant for the transport of 6 vehicles at a time. in order for the transport of people as well as goods in a faster way. We know that in many places that over bridges are constructed, flyovers are constructed, and for the smooth transport of people and goods. A city like ours, so much transport requirement is there. Then also, this much roads are there, still the roads are crowded. And it is getting delayed. So for that purpose, in order to reduce that, super highways are made or constructed for the passage of 6 to 8 vehicles at a time. Clear? Super highways is clear? Ah. Next,
Express highways.
express highways.
These roads are cemented 6-lane roads.
Wait, please. Wait. I used to have fight with my son. If he just close, then I cannot open. So I have to call. In the classes, who will help you?
Today you will do only transport, nothing other than that.
Why?
You told this transport is you will do.
Today transport lesson. It's a big lesson, no?
Transport.
Oh. So many types of that railways, its advantages, its disadvantages, then waterways, its advantages. Ah. All the things in a detailed way. This lesson you just select for your board. It's very easy to remember. That is why I have selected. If I complete means other person will not interfere. Understood? So this lesson, and if you are preferring this one, agriculture, that 4 lessons together, 10 mark, easily can score. Avoid climate. This is a confusing type lesson. Avoid that minerals. That lesson also you avoid.
Soil back.
No, minerals.
Minerals.
Water is easy.
Water? Water is easy. So transport is easy. That water resources, soil resources, again it is easy.
And agriculture.
Agriculture. That 4 lesson this much selected part will be coming. No?
Waste management.
Huh?
Waste management.
Waste management, 4 lessons together, 10 mark is scoreable.
Agriculture.
Agriculture 4 lesson, that waste management you should not avoid. That's
So minerals is hard.
minerals is hard. Why? It is having that names of the state, this one, users, all these things, no, little bit confusing. If one, you wrote, if answer is Rajasthan and you wrote Odisha, 1 mark. Okay. Understood? And the places in Google. Map question purpose you have to learn. Otherwise, climate can be avoided, but also mark using factor. Yes. One more day we will get. So that day agro based. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Here, this one is express highways. As the word indicates, express highways are meant for the faster movement of people as well as goods. For example, from Mumbai to Pune. Then from that side, if you are taking that express highway route, within a short time you can reach Pune. That is 1.5 hours you can reach. But if so much traffic is there, these other roads are becoming crowded. You know that weekends and all. The people from this thing, Pune used to come here, or people on Monday mornings, people used to go to Pune back. So these are times that expressways are of great help to transport the people in a faster. Understood? Huh. In the expressways, there are so many roads. One of such road is Golden Quadrilateral. No? In the expressway only, no, it is written. Hmm. See, Golden Quadrilateral is a road which connects just say Delhi to Kolkata, Kolkata to Chennai, Chennai to Mumbai, and Mumbai to. Understood? This is a quadrilateral shape. This road is the Delhi to Kolkata, Kolkata to Chennai, Chennai to Mumbai, Mumbai back to Delhi.
We have a map.
Ah. Understood? Which are the places connected by that golden quadrilateral? Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai to Delhi. Understood? This is what a golden quadrilateral. It is one of the fastest moving road. That is which connect to all these 5 cities. Eh? Mumbai back to Delhi is there. No? Or Delhi to Mumbai is also there. Mumbai to Delhi is also there. So that clear? Golden quadrilateral. Hmm? Afterwards, I will take the test. You have to remember. Next, what is the road? Then read. One more is there, no? North, south, and east, west corridor.
North, south, and east west corridors.
Hmm.
Largest highway project in India. Srinagar to Kanyakumari, north south corridor. Silchar to Porbandar, east west corridor. Delhi to Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai.
Question is to ask about this one. 2 marks. What is that north, south, and east, west corridor? Say north Srinagar.
Ma'am, can you turn on this fan? The upper side right one.
Okay. Say Srinagar to Kanyakumari. And in the west, what is that? Near to that, Porbandar. To Silchar. Now, what is the advantage? North to south, Srinagar to Kanyakumari, and from west to east, Porbandar to Silchar. And now, what happened? Here, Silchar to Kolkata, Kanyakumari to Chennai, Porbandar to Mumbai, and this Srinagar to Delhi. So, Baltic quadrilateral and east-west corridors are north-south, east-west corridors are coming. Just take that geography discussion, transfer map. Mushroom.